Hello guys, good day. This is Ferdy and welcome to the vlog. In this episode, we are going to try to hook the latest release of Supreme with the brand Marithe Francois Gerbeau. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you do so to be updated in our latest videos. We just got our number and we're just waiting for the opening of the store. Today is also the release of the Gel Kayano 14 in collaboration with APC. We got 3 numbers here. Thank you to the store manager there. That's my friend, by the way. The mechanics includes 1 per person. So this pair is only 1 per person. We need 3 pairs. That's why I asked for 3 entries. So there you go. For Bape, we have the Baby Milo umbrellas and this cap, Bapesta mesh cap in muted colorways, pink, blue, and green. And of course, this collaboration, Adidas in collaboration with Bape, we have the Shark hoodie. And the retail price, as you can see by the tag, there you go, Chenille WGM. And this Dame colorway, black and red, ABC camo print, tracksuit, so that's the track pants and track jacket. They also have it in blue. There you go. Very beautiful. And of course, the shoes. You can see the details over here. The Dubrace and the Bapesta logo. Not to mention the socks and the cap beside it. So there's the APED logo with 3 stripes and the free size cap. For the shirt, they have this 32nd anniversary shirts. So they have it in black and in white. Yellow and green ABC camo. For the accessories, they have the Bape AirPods case, ABC camo, yellow and green, and they have the Bape X9 reminiscent of the AP. So shirts, shoes, and another shark head shirts, and also this jersey. Very colorful. They also have it in gray. Newest socks. And of course, this one. Point logo, ABC camo, cotton shorts and jackets. Well, that's what they have with Supreme and Bape. And now let's go to Stussy. I just want to show you this one. This is a collaboration with Nigel Sylvester, and this is called the Brick by Brick Air Jordan 4s. So instead of the Nike Air at the back, you can see the Bike Air. So that's what they have here in Sneaker Dunk. I just wanted to share these shoes with you. They also have this Jordan 12s flu game. Hello guys, we're back in our house and here we have our orders. And this one is the Air Force One Low in collaboration with Supreme for Sir Mark in a size 9.5. So there's the conversion tag. This is the forefoot area with the Dubrace, Supreme box logo, and the Nike swoosh right over there. Lateral side has this Supreme box logo in Supreme red colorway. This is the medial side. The tongue has this Supreme branding, triple white. There's the Japanese tag. The insole has this Supreme box logo. Heel counter has this embroidered Nike Air. And this is the regular outsole. Thank you again, Sir Mark, for this one. I almost forgot we have this Supreme extra red laces. He also ordered one more shoe here, the Nike Air Max 1 87. Just like the Air Force One, it's the same box, but the tag has this Nike Air Max 1 branding. This one came from Sneaker Dunk, by the way. That's why there's an authentication card, as you can see right there. And thank you, it says there. It has this verified authentic tag. So, this is the forefoot area. Lateral side with the mini swoosh and the snakeskin swoosh. It comes with this Nike Supreme extra lace. That's the medial side. The tongue has this red Supreme box logo, Japan tag, and the hang tag of Nike Air and Supreme. This is the heel counter, embroidered world famous and Supreme the Boss logo at the midsole. So the sock liner has this smooth material and the insole has this Supreme branding and Nike Air collaborative tag. Regular outsole, by the way. Thank you again, Sir Mark, for this one. Next one is for Sir Emerson, and this is the Kobe 6 Pro Tro. That's the sizing, and it comes in this Venom-like box. So there you go. Collaboration with Kobe and Nike. Once again, this came from Sneaker Dunk. That's why there's an authentication card. Thank you. And it comes in this shoe paper, just like the one that's on the box. So, this is the forefoot area. There you go. Lateral side, medial side, The tongue has this Kobe sheath logo and those baseball stitching. The heel counter has this signature of Kobe. Insole, extra lace is white and it comes pre-laced with this blue laces. This is the outsole. You can see the carbon fiber at the midfoot section. So thank you again, Sir Emerson, for this one. Okay, for this one, we have another Sir Mark. This is called the Cloudaway 2 in the 10 men's size. Just like any other on-cloud box, it's just the same with this one. So once you've opened the box, you have the shoes. This is the forefoot area. Lateral side, medial side. The tongue with those cinch cord laces. Insole. And this is the heel tab and heel counter. The polarizing midsole, as you can see. And the outsole. So I kind of like this one because of the stitching. So this is a clean looking shoe and thank you again for that, Sir Mark. We have something here for Sir Miguel and this is called the Speedcat Ballet. That's the size. This is the forefoot area. Lateral side, medial side, insole, heel counter, and midsole slash outsole. Thank you again, Sir Miguel. Next up is the Nike Rejuvenate. Actually, React Rejuvenate. And this is for Sir Jess. So that's his size. And it comes with this regular Nike box. This is the forefoot area. Lateral side with the swoosh. Medial side, the footbed, Nike React X. This is the heel counter. This is the outsole. It's very squishy, guys. Thank you again for Sir Jess. We have two Stussy t-shirts here for Sir Owen. The first one is this Stussy Truck Tee. So that's the front. And this is the back. Very simple shirt from Stussy. This is the Stussy tee. It's like an illusion. So thank you again, Sir Owen, for those two. We have Denim Gears collaboration here with Stussy again. And this time, this is for Sir Jiro. The front one has this crest patch, as you can see right there. This is the front design. This is the back design. Thank you again, Sir Jiro, for this one. We are done with the online orders and now let us proceed with the in-store pickups. First and foremost, we have this God Selection. Nagoya exclusive, by the way. This is for Sir Jason and this is how it looks. It comes with this God Selection Ziploc bag. The staff gave me this sticker, by the way. Thank you, Okuno-san. So this is how it looks. This is the front and this is the back. God Selection XXX. Very sturdy shirt. And the retail price for this is kind of pricey. Well, there's the price, 16,500 yen. But you'll get this premium quality shirt. Very beautiful. Thank you again, Sir Jason. Okay, next up is this Bape AirPod case. This is for Sir Dennis. And that's how it looks. I won't open this up since this is sealed, as you can see right there. We have something here for Sir Merch, and this is the Stussy International Sport Jersey. As you can see right there, that's the front print. There's no back print. Also have two orders for Chin, and this is the Stussy Arch Tee, S and L. This is just the design. Front design only, no back logos or anything. Well, this is the size L, and this is the size S. Thank you again for these two. Next up for Sir Kevin, we have the Struck Tee. We've unveiled it again. So this is the Struck Tee and this is the back print. This is the front print. Next up is Supreme Reverse Hoodie. This is for bets. And this is how it looks. Just a normal Supreme hoodie, but the logo of Supreme is inverted, as you can see right here. No back logos, just this one. Thank you again for bets regarding this one. Okay, next up is for Iris, and this is the Supreme in collaboration with Jerbo, gray, size L, and black XL t-shirts. So this is the gray one, size L. So you can see Marithe, Francois, Jerbo, Supreme. This is the collaborative tag of them. And it comes with this tag. There you go. This is the gray again. And this is the black, size XL. Marithe, Francois, Jerbo. There you go. No back print. Thank you again for Iris. So Sir Matthew also ordered this one. This is a size 2XL. So thank you, Sir Matthew. And next up is the Supreme Iwatani stove for Sir Joel. This is actually a collector's piece. And this is how it looks. So there's the instructions. There's the stove, by the way. Unboxing, guys. That's how it looks. Nice packaging from Supreme. It comes encased in this plastic. And you can see the Supreme box logo right there. Also, manual instructions right over here. Thank you again for Sir Joel. We have something here for Ma'am Camille. And this is the Bathing Ape in collaboration with Adidas. You can see the trefoil logo of Adidas at the center and the branding of a Bathing Ape. The sleeves has this 3-stripe branding, as you can see, and the Bape logo is on this side. You can also see the collaborative tag right here at the nape area, but there's no back print. But still, thank you again, Ma'am Camille, for this one. For Sir Jacob, we have 2 orders. These are the Bape pink sweatpants and the blue ABC camo shark bag. So I've unveiled this countless of times. It's just this bag with the strap on it. Next up is the pink sweatpants. For the pink sweatpants, we have this heavy cotton material. And it comes in this ABC camo pink with the 1-point logo of Bape right over here. That's the Bape head. Thank you again, Sir Jacob, for those 2. Okay, we have something for merch. This is the newest release of Bape. Bape head bag in the brown colorway. There's a zip pocket at the front. There's 2 divisions for main pocket. As you can see, it comes with a strap that you can put right here. Thank you again for merch regarding this one. For this week, Ma'am Princess wants this bag. The retail price for this one is 8,800 yen. Right over there. This is the Baby Milo small cross bag. It comes with this silver chain. Stainless steel, by the way. You have the option to remove this one. And you can use this as a handbag. And inside, they have this small pocket. Very small pocket. Thank you again for Ma'am Princess regarding this one. For Sir Sting, we have this Bape in collaboration with Adidas. It comes with the sleeve for the box. And the box looks like this. So all throughout the box has this ABC camo pattern in blue. So the 3 stripes branding over here. And the collaborative logos at this side and on this side. There is the size tag. Once we've opened the box, we have this shoe paper from Adidas and Bape. ABC camo also. It comes with this extra fat laces. You have the option to replace this one. But I like this one better than the fat laces. So, this is the shell toe, 4-foot area. Lateral side, this is Bape and this is Adidas. Medial side, reverse. The tongue has no branding, just this ABC camo and invisible. Dubrace, collaborative Dubray. Insole, just the regular insole. You can see the materials right over there. Heel counter, no Adidas branding. Simple. Basically, that's it. The midsole is just a regular Superstar and also the outsole. So this is the left, by the way, and this is the right. Thank you again for Sir Sting regarding this one. Last but not the least for Bape is for Ma'am Andrea. Here are her orders. Baby Milo Baby Gift Set. So inside, you'll get the full apparel from head to toe. I cannot unveil this one since this is a gift. Next is Japan Bape Tee. So that's Japan, Ape Head logo, and Bape. Next is the Japan Souvenir Tee. White. This is the front design. And this is the back design. So next is the Baby Milo keychain. This is the perfect accessory for your keys. And it has this carabiner loop. Thank you again for Ma'am Andrea regarding these orders. I have something for Iris again. Katakana Bape Tee. This is the front design. That's Katakana. And this is the back design. So that's all the stores in Katakana. Thank you again for Iris regarding that one. And last but not the least, we have bulk order of APC shoes and On Cloud. So let's start off with the APC in collaboration with Gel Kayano 14. By the way, these are the retail price for each vape item that I bought. So you can pause it if you need. Next up are the A6 Gel Kayano. So it comes in this APC box. Very cool box. The A is for A6, then the PC is for APC. Regular shoe paper. And now let's proceed with this beautiful shoe. This is the forefoot area. Lateral side, medial side. The lace lock or the brace has this APC logo, collaborative branding. The tongue is just a regular A6 tongue, and the insole has this APC in collaboration with A6 logo. As for the heel counter, we have this APC. Very minuscule detail, and this is the Gel Kayano 14 branding on the lateral side. Regular midsole from A6. And this gum bottom outsole. It incorporates well with the design of the sneaker. Thank you again for Sir Eli. So he bought 3 pairs. This is the 9 US. This is the 10. And this is the 9.5. Thank you again, Sir Eli, for these 3. Now let's proceed with the on-cloud orders for Sir Eli. For the on-clouds, we ordered some cloud tilt, black ivory colorway, as you can see. And this is the 9.5 men's. This is the 6.5. Forefoot area, lateral side, medial side. The tongue, insole, heel counter with the on logo, polarizing midsole again, and outsole. Next up is this 9.5 men's. Again, forefoot area, lateral side, medial side, the tongue, insole, heel counter with the on branding, polarizing midsole, and this is the outsole. Thank you again for that bulk order, Sir Eli. The retail price for that Gel Kayano is 35,200 yen as stated by this receipt. Came from APC. Hello guys, good day. I just came home from Osaka and we got some orders from FR2. We have this Ziploc from them. The retail price for the shirt is 11,000 yen. And this is for Sir Genis. This is the front design and this is the back design. As you can see right there. There's also a patch over here resembling the company's logo. And I also got something from myself, FR2 Ume, and this is how it looks. So the staff gave me this bag, FR2 Pink, means this is a special edition. I bought this open collared shirt for 17,600 yen. This is the FR2 Ume. I'm going to wear this in the summer, so you can see the graphic details throughout the shirt. You can also see the embroidery over here at the side. This is Osaka exclusive, FR2 Ume. Wow, very beautiful. Next up is for Chin. These are the Gerbo tee and cap from Supreme. So this is the cap, a size S/M. So they have 2 sizes, SM and ML. So this is how it looks. There's a cinch cord at the back, as you can see. So it's very different from your usual caps. And this is the logo of Marithe Francois Gerbo. I unveiled this yesterday, but here you can see the white one in the blue font. No backprint, of course. Thank you again, Shin, for those 2. For Sir Jules, we have this compressed towel. This is a towel, by the way. This is called the Metamorpho towel. Soak this towel in water and watch it change and grow. So there you go. Thank you again, Sir Jules, for this one. Human Made, we've got 2 items. They gave us a freebie. I asked for a freebie from Human Made. So that's their address, Human Made Shinsaibashi Parko. These are for Ninja and Eli. So for Sir Ninja, we have this denim cap. Very simple. Human made. Logo of human made. Simple cap. It goes well with anything. Next up is their new Littlest t-shirt. This one's for Sir Eli, by the way. This is how it looks. There you go. At the nape area, you can see the human-made branding. Thank you again for those two. Next up is this Lockbear brick. I wouldn't open this one. This is for Ma'am Stephanie. This is how it looks. Last but not the least are the Kith orders. Okay, let's start off with the cap. So if you ordered from Kith, they have this dust bag for the cap. Premium quality packaging, and let's see what's inside. Sir Michael saw this Kith Records, and he opted us to buy this one. Very cute. This is how it looks. Embroidered, by the way. This is a mesh cap with the Kith box logo over here. And this is adjustable. Retail price is 10,450 yen with tax. Thank you again for Sir Michael regarding that cap. Next up, we have this Kith in collaboration with Canteen tumbler. This is a very basic Kith accessory, but it's very premium if you held it in hand. So there you go. Retail price for this one is 7,700 yen. Ma'am Andrea also ordered Kith from us. This time she ordered two shirts. So this is the Neon Lights Osaka exclusive. This is how it looks. No back print, just this one. Next up is this Osaka exclusive Tiger Tee in the navy colorway. Kith Osaka. Thank you again for Ma'am Andrea. This one is for Sir Eli, and this is the Kith jersey. I love how they incorporate their design with this jersey. It feels like a luxurious piece, to be honest. Unlike those Supreme and Stussy jerseys, it's like for streetwear, but this one is like designer brand vibes. They have shorts for this one, by the way. And the retail price for this one is very cheap, 25,080 yen. So in Supreme and Stussy, it's almost 30,000 yen. I think I'm beginning to like Kith for what it is. Very simple. Thank you for Sir Eli. Next up is for Eiffel. And we have three orders here. Kith New York hoodie, Neon Osaka, and Tiger Osaka. These are the orders of Eiffel, and this is the Kith hoodie. Embroidered, by the way. The embroidered Kith logo is kinda thick, and the New York as well. Retail price for this one is 31,680 yen. Next up is this one, Neon, again for Eiffel. So that's how it looks. And also the Tiger. This is the black one, size XL. There you go. Thank you again for Eiffel. This one is also for Eiffel, and this is a regular Kith New York. Embroidered, very simple. Last but not the least, we have the most sought after pair from Kith when they released this. This is the Marvel Villains Collector Footwear by Kith. They packaged this like a comic book. So there's the retail price, 29,700 yen. And this is the collaborative logo, Marvel Kith. It also has this sleeve. We have the box. This is how it looks. And the sides, there you go. For this one, we have the Green Goblin. And there's an authentication card here from Sneaker Dunk. Thank you, it says there. Looks like a bag of cereal, by the way. They don't have any shoe paper, just this packaging by Kith. And when you open them up, you'll have the shoes. We have two sets of extra laces here. Green hints and the white one. So there's three extra laces. It comes pre-laced with this cream laces. That's the forefoot area. Lateral side. Medial side. The tongue has this Kith branding and Asics. So the right side has this Kith branding. And the left side has this Asics branding. Insole, Asics Kith. Stitched onto the insole. Heel counter has this collaborative logo, Marvel and Feig for Ronnie Feig, the founder of Kith. The midsole has this mix of purple and green. Outsole. The silhouette is GT2160. And there's also another secret here. Every purchase of this pair has this a comic book. So this is how it was packaged. And when you lift this up, you'll find underneath a collector's edition comic book. So you can read this if you want. Comes with this plastic. So this is how it looks. The comic book. Very cool looking piece from Keith. Thank you again for Sir Keith regarding this one. And now let's do the outro. Okay, that's it. I've unveiled all the orders. So my favorite for this week is the Bape Superstar. Maybe because it reminds me of the old releases of Bape. They've incorporated that ABC camo look in the Adidas Superstar, which is a classic. They kind of remodeled the shoe on that back part, but still, it works. Are you a fan of those Supreme Gerbos or are you willing to go with Bape? And I also forgot to mention the underrated collaboration with Asics and Jalcayanos. So for me, out of the 3 collaborations that released this week, I'm more leaning towards the Adidas Bape collab. It's the most affordable among the 3 collabs, and that design would make me want to wear Superstars again. So let's see in the future. Let me know what you think, guys, down below. Again, I just want to thank all of you guys, my clients, my friends, my family, my best friend, my wife. And this is me signing out. God bless. See you again on the next episode. Bye-bye.